Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a short MP4 or WebM that loops cleanly. Smaller files reduce CPU use. Install a wallpaper tool now, Wallpaper Engine for easy setup, or VLC if you prefer free. Make sure your GPU drivers are current so playback stays smooth. Close full-screen apps and save work. You're about to change the desktop environment. Once set, we'll proceed to loading the video and configuring playback options for performance and behavior. Now you load the video into the chosen app. In Wallpaper Engine, click Import or Add File, choose Loop and Mute if you don't want desktop audio. Set quality presets to balance CPU and visuals. With VLC, open the file, enable advanced controls, then use Video Set as Wallpaper to push the rendering to the desktop surface. Make sure to set resolution and FPS caps to match your monitor to avoid stuttering, and test playback while switching windows to confirm persistent behavior. Finish by locking settings and enabling Start with System so your video returns after reboot. Once done, verify that performance is acceptable during typical tasks. If you notice stutter, lower the quality preset or enable hardware acceleration in the app to offload work to the GPU. If the wallpaper vanishes after full-screen apps or sleep, reapply from the app or reboot. Check for overlays like game mode or conflicting software. One key troubleshooting tip: update or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.